Good morning, students. Welcome to class 9th English online class. Today we are going to study lesson number 2, The Victory, written by Deepavali Debroy. Victory means jeet, winning. Once Alexander the Great, who had won many battles, having desire to conquer the whole world, decided to attack on India. At that time, India was known as Golden Bird. So he wanted to see the prosperity of India. He ordered his generals to proceed to India. They referred maps and turned toward India. They crossed the mighty Himalayas. In the last lesson, you learned the meaning of mighty. It means the great Himalayas. They crossed it through the long terrain in cold and entered to our country. There was a battle between Alexander's army and King Puru's army. In this battle, King Puru was defeated and was made captive. Alexander was very happy for his first victory on India. When Alexander's army was taking rest, he, means Alexander, rode on his horse called Basiphilus to see the Indian countryside. He moved on the streets on and on. He saw that there was darkness in the houses as the people were very sad on their king's defeat. The women were wailing, means weeping, for the defeat. The children were crying. Alexander felt no pity on their condition, but felt proud on his victory. He turned his horse towards the jungle. As he went forward, he saw a bonfire at some distance. When he went closer, hiding himself behind the thick trunk of a tree, he saw that some saints were performing yajna on the bank of the river. He saw that in such an extreme cold, the saints are not wearing clothes on the upper part of their body. Thought that they are very poor. He felt sorry for them and thought that he must do something for them. He, he went back to his tent, woke up his chief generals, and told him to bring woolen blankets immediately. Heaps of woolen blankets were loaded on horses. Alexander rode back to the jungle. The caravan stopped near the yajna place. Alexander saw that still the saints are busy in performing the yajna and chanting hymns, means bhajans. He went closer to the eldest saint. He patted his horse and coughed. Still, the saint paid no attention towards him. He got irritated and said to the saint that he is the famous Alexander the Great. The saint silently replied to Alexander that what he want from him. On this, Alexander proudly replied that he don't want anything from him, as he is Alexander who had conquered your Hindustan. He said that he saw them naked, so he brought blankets for them all. The saint came closer to Alexander, putting his hand on his shoulder. He said that you are Alexander, who conquers the countries by robbing them. Till uh, Tell me that how a robber can be a conqueror. On listening the saint's word, the Alexander turned pale. He can't say a single word and stood still like a statue. The saint continued, my child, if you really want to conquer the world, first win the hearts of the countrymen with love. And about us, we have given up all the luxuries of the world. We do not need anything for us. Alexander could not believe on the saint's words because he had not heard all this before. He felt guilty on his action. He saluted the saint, mounted his horse, and came back to his camp. It was dawn, means early morning till now. Alexander heard the chattering of birds. He had decided not to go forward to conquer other parts of India. He also released King Puru. I hope that you understood the story of Alexander, and you also must have understood that what is real victory, not to attack on anyone forcefully but to conquer someone's heart with love.